Kumba arponyo ngot kinas na mekalaya kila Sdang ya kikam jangki hapori Japan. Kene kala long shi benta jangka skills mekalaya scheme jangka sorka jela kembala bepisa kumba sanpo hoja tengka na kebenta iwe isamla pule lingba ke mekalaya State Skills Development Society MSSDS. Kene ke jengkersian ketemu banyarap ya lais pa angot kinas ha kini kisnem banwan.
I personally feel that starting with the two of you, it will be a very long journey. You will see many. I was telling my friends and I was telling the enough people here to have a Meghalaya Day celebration. So, apart from that, what I was telling you earlier, things may get difficult. You're away from home and all, and keep moving on. Okay, and be disciplined. Always listen to your seniors what they say. Okay, I'm sure you will. I don't have to give you a long lecture on this, but it's my duty to say it. And I was saying that you will be inspiration to many. Okay, many other girls who will want to come, other boys also will want to come. Support you. Okay? Sure. So I won't bore you anymore with my lecture, but we want to have a small video. Okay, from you whenever you're comfortable. I think we'll just give them the space. So I think you can just ask them. Very nice.
From there you can get a very good view of.
I'm just seeing the place is very nice. It's like very spacious. I mean, for one person. I thought there were two. There's one bed here.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you once again. Good luck.
Hello everyone, my name is Sdang. I am from Meghalaya, Nongpo Ribhoi district. I have came to know about Navis from with the help of government, the job fair which was held on 2023 August. From there I get to know about Navis. Then I came to Bangalore. I studied Japanese language in Navis Human Resource Private Limited in Bangalore. Of course, at first it was very difficult to study a new language, but with the help of the tutors, day by day we are able to learn and understand and write in Japanese. I would like to thank first God for keeping me safe all this time, my parents, my relatives, and our chief ministers, Conrad K. Sangma, and our government and the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society for giving us this opportunity where we can work abroad, where we not only just enhancing our skill, but we are we are exchanging cultures. Thank you so much for this opportunity because this kind of opportunity I could only dream of, but today is coming true. So I would like to many of our friends who are there in Meghalaya who are still afraid to come outside to explore their dreams, achieve their dreams. Please do take this opportunity because the government is there to support you, and please do come, enhance your skills, enjoy, and let us exchange culture between countries. Thank you.
Play fibara kerteng jangan ada yai kerman kadosau ada national play Ribhoi district Meghalaya. Kajinya lenti jangan nadu national hadu banganda poi ke Japan kalong kalenti ke bakalan. Oi wala sibun kijing Henry ublay ula don rekat banga ki bahaya ngasam ki don rekat banga ki parlok parajon ki baju I mesim barabar ki baju long ki hakti kamon ki kadiam ki la penyaj ba yang kalenti ba kalong kalenti kaba sutanat hadu banganda poi kobe.
Last year, in the month of May, there was a job fair that we had conducted in Shillong, where our objective was to tie up with different stakeholders and different HR companies to place our nurses in different parts of the world, including in Japan, Singapore, Australia, likewise in different parts of the world. And when this job fair took place, more than 1,300 nurses had attended this job fair, and the government had committed to funding the particular training that was required for these nurses to work in different parts of the world. Today, I'm happy to inform all of you that after 1 year, the efforts that we had started have started to bear fruits, and today we have 27 of our nurses who have got placements in Japan, and 18 of them have got placements in Singapore. And the training program is going on very well, and we expect that in the coming months and the coming years, in fact, many more of our skilled manpower will be given the opportunity to work in different parts of the world. I'm here today in Japan, in Tokyo, and I will be visiting our nurses. The first batch of 2 of the nurses out of the 27 have already received their visas and other documentation, and they have already joined their place of work, and we'll be visiting them in the next couple of days to see how they are doing, how the experience has been, and also to give them the assurance and to their families that the government of Meghalaya is very much with them to support them in every way possible. The government of India is there to support them, and also to give a sense of confidence to other nurses who wish to work in other parts of the world and get these job employment opportunities, that the way the government of Meghalaya is working, the process is very professional, and the placement is also done in a very professional manner. And we would encourage all the other nurses also, those who wish to work in different parts of the world, that it is a good opportunity, it's a safe opportunity, and the government of Meghalaya, along with government of India, is there to support you in your endeavor to find placements in different parts of the world. Thank you very much.